Well guys, right here is one of the best things Home Depot sells. It's these canvas bags. You can definitely get your stuff organized pretty good. They're not very expensive. Sure makes it easy to keep things from getting tangled up. I know Milwaukee makes some canvas bags now. I bought these, had some of them for a long time, and some I just got now. But I'm definitely going to tell you guys, you want to get organized, especially you mobile guys. 1/4-inch socket set, special screwdrivers, pump wrenches. Yeah, this is the ticket right here. Klein canvas bags, Home Depot. Go look for them. You won't regret it.